And for as low as for the inner unit natin, upon checking our computation, nasa 7,000 lang monthly. Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Your Top Realtor. The new project po ni SMDC dito. So for today's vlog, we will feature a newly launched project ni SMDC dito sa Mabalacat, no? So I'm here with Sir Raul of SMDC. You're the good guys, no, sir?
Yes! Hello everyone!
So we will going to feature, which is called, ano yung project name natin, sir?
Our project is called Symphony Homes.
Wow, parang gandang pakinggan, no, sir? When you say the symphony, so what's the meaning of the symphony ba? What's behind of our project?
Okay, ibig sabihin lang ng symphony, di ba? From the word itself, symphony, it's like harmony, di ba? It's a music, which you can see in our units na talaga namang, di ba? Ano siya, harmonious, ang nagbe-blend. It has unique character in every unit.
Yes. And with that, sir, let's give them, before diving in sa mga model unit natin na somehow connected with music, mamaya na natin itatakil, no? When it comes sa location, sir, let's highlight the location of our project. It's located in Atlubola. So, I believe we have plenty of access sa mga nearby establishments natin dito, right? So, such as, saan, sir? Transportation.
Transportation, malapit tayo sa mga terminal dito, sa Dao. And then, we are also near to the malls like SM. Ano pa, marami pa dyang malls.
Oh, sir. And of course, sa transportation, sir, sa Clark International Airport.
Yeah, yun ang pinaka-highlight. Napakalapit lang natin sa airport. And based on experience, galing dito, would take only around 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Based on experience na, I have client before from Cheerful, papunta dun sa airport ng Clark. Napakabilis lang. By just taking the road here sa Mabalacat, yung gate natin yung tinatawag na Clark Mabalacat Gate. So, dire-diretso na yon. Pagdating mo doon, pasok ka na, diretso na yun sa airport.
Yes. And also, sir, sa Santa Ines exit, sa Dolores exit. So, we also have mga expressway here, no? So, very near siya sa access roads natin. And what else, sir? I think sa schools, sa UP Clark, diba? Sa hospital, so mostly then they are looking for sa mga conscious dyan, no, sir?
Almost complete yung ano natin. Lahat ng lugar na gusto mong puntahan ay malapit sa Symphony Homes.
Yes. So, ano, sir, let's go.
Okay, come on, guys.
So, right now, dito, sa model unit natin, gusto ko din yung name niya, sir. It's the Sonata, diba? So, connected siya or related din siya sa music,
yes,
no, sir?
Sonata actually means one instrument or single instrument, but with different themes. So, as you can see in the model unit, iisang unit lang to or isang model unit type, but it has different characters. So, halimbawa halimbawa si Sir Alan ay bumili ng 2 units na magkatabi, it would not look like a duplex or, di ba? Parang dalawang magkaiba talaga silang units because makikita yung mga lines, yung height ng yung taas ng unit niya is magkaiba in its own character.
It's very kind of unique. And actually, Symphony is one of the brand na binibuild ngayon ni SMDC, diba, sir?
So kung bibili ka dito, for example, you have Symphony Homes Mabalacat, at pag nagkaroon naman halimbawa sa Tarlac, that would be another Symphony Homes na Tarlac naman and in different places in the Philippines.
Wow, we're so excited, no, with the Symphony branding ni SMDC kasi I believe si SMDC naging well-known din siya with condo, vertical, but right now nagkaroon siya ng rebranding when it comes to horizontal project naman yan.
And the good thing about this, sir, is tayo ang kauna-unahan sa Pampanga na meron ng ganitong brand. Diba? If you can remember, Cheerful Homes, siyang kauna-unahang house and lot na nilagay ng SMDC o sa Pampanga yon. At ito naman ngayon, Symphony Homes, nandito sa Pampanga, first ever. So, mga Kapampangan, you're very lucky.
Yes. And kasi right now, of course, Pampanga itself, it's very developing area na po, no?
Yes.
So, moreover, sir, when it comes to the land development and even sa lot kumbaga, area ng mismong symphony. I think it's more than 100 hectares.
Yes, the total area ng buong development is around 100 hectares. Pero itong unang phase natin is 28 hectares.
Yes.
So this is the chance of our investor, our homeowners na grab nyo na itong unang phase kasi sigurado sa mga susunod na phase, tataas yung presyo.
Correct. And not only that, sir, when it comes dito, sir, what we are excited about since ito yung new brand ni SMDC is kung ano niya, sir, yung mga features ng development such as yung mga amenities niya. And I believe we have very unique na parang condo style din yung mga amenities niya, right? So we will going to flash yung mga possible layout ng amenities natin such as the swimming pool, the gym.
Yes, and we have also for our pet lovers, meron tayong tinatawag na pet park. So, talagang very interesting yan, lalo na sa mga mahihilig, di ba? Sa mga pets.
Correct.
Pwede nyong ipasyal doon.
And isa pa sa nagustuhan ko sa Symphony, sir, I believe, yung co-working space. So, right now, ano tayo, work from home, ganun. So, they could enjoy the clubhouse, the lounge there.
And aside from that, di ba, napansin nyo sa ibang development, yung perimeter, di ba, binibigay nyo ng promo kasi doon mura kasi ayaw nga nilang kumuha doon. But here, hindi po natin lalagyan ng mga bahay doon sa perimeter lots natin. Ang ilalagay natin mismo ay mismong kalsada.
Wow!
So that gives more security to our homeowners.
That's right, sir. Speaking of the road networks, I believe we have also a wide road network here, di ba, sir? So, yun. We're so very excited with this project. And without further ado, sir, let's begin our house tour. So, shall we go to our
Let's go!
So, this is townhouse, ano po niya, no? Yung type of house na meron si Symphony, no? So, basically, meron po tayong different kinds of units. So, meron tayong corner
and then the inner. So, tatandaan po natin, corner lot, end lot, tsaka yung inner. So, anong pagkakaiba ng inner from corner and end? So, pagka-inner, ibig sabihin, nandun siya sa gitna ng mga units. While end naman, ibig sabihin, nasa end ka, tapos may another unit pa dun sa kabila. Pero kung corner naman, yun yung katabi mo mismo yung kalsada.
Exactly. So, thanks for the explanation. Kasi minsan, yung mga home buyers natin are not so very familiar when it comes to the technical real estate terms natin, no? And one thing also I love, yung pong ano niya, sir, yun nga, na hindi madami yung number of units in one cluster.
Yes. There are only 6 units in one cluster. So, ibig sabihin, hindi,
madamihan.
Hindi padamihan. Ito, hanggang 6 lang yung maximum natin sa cluster.
Parang meron pa yatang 4 or ano, no, sir? So, depends on the layout. So, that's why you have to get in touch with us para we could explain further.
Yes, para makita yung SDP. From there, pwede na kayong pumili. Alam mo naman yung mga buyer, di ba, sir? Gusto nila minsan morning sun. Or kung ano mang
preference nila
na gusto nila.
Yep. So, with our model unit, sir, ito niyan yung corner unit natin. So, typical corner unit natin has a lot area of 102 square meter. But, when it comes to the floor area, nasa more or less nasa 72 square meter siya. So, with this one, ayan, sir, napakalaki pa din naman ng car space niya, no, sir?
Kasi dito yung isang kotse, kasi one car garage tong Sonata, while yung isa natin na model unit, yung Aria, yun yung kasya yung dalawang sasakyan. Pero ngayon, hindi pa yun open. Later on, buksan din natin yun.
Yes. Ayun, nabanggit nyo na, sir. Not only a townhouse dito, but we also have our single attached, which later on we will also feature. But in the meantime, for the end unit, the corner unit rather, dito, sir, parang pwede ka pang mag-garden dito, sir.
Yes, kung nasa corner ka, may extra space ka pa dyan.
Okay. For your gardening, no, sir. And dun sa presentation with previously, no, sir, kung ipapark natin yung sasakyan natin dito, at least almost half of the art is already covered.
Mako-cover na halos kalahati. Oo. Gayon pa man, kung gusto mo siya talaga ma-fully covered, pwede mo siyang palagyan ng canopy. Again, kailangan sumunod tayo dun sa guidelines na para hindi masira yung fasad ng ating bahay.
Kasi ang laki po, I have observed, no, ang laki ng setback natin. not just in front in the facade but as well as dun sa likod. I think that's intended for expansion, right?
Yes. Dito sa harap, hindi na tayo pwedeng mag-expand when it comes to gagawin mong kwarto o ano. Ang pwede mo lang ditong expand is for cover lang nung garage mo. While sa likod, up to 3 meters yung ating setback. So, kita nyo naman, napakalaki niyan para gawin mo pang extra space.
Correct. So, what are we waiting for? Tara na! Punta na natin sa loob. So, welcome to your corner unit dito sa Symphony, diba, sir? So, as you can see, no, sir, parang, yun nga, painted siya, but hindi pa siya naka-tiles.
Yes, naka-bare pa yung ating floor. But, yung mga walls natin is naka-paint naman na.
So, one thing I love sa mga bare finish, at least they could modify kung anong gusto nila, diba?
Baka kasi yung client minsan may gusto siyang type of tiles or kung ano man yung gusto niyang kulay na babagay dun sa kanyang bahay. So, this is a nice idea. So, siya na yung bahalang maglagay kung ano yung gusto niyang tiles or
kung anong color.
Yes.
Kasama ka ba sa Kumbadi, sir, sa mga team puti?
Yes. And the good thing about this project is kahit team kahoy ka or team puti, nandito lahat makikita mo.
So, you could really modify it. However, yung sa toilet and bathroom niya, yun yung naka-tiles na.
Yes.
Para at least malinis din tignan.
And for the specs, nandito yung mga finishes natin.
Yep. So, for further comprehensive discussion sa mga specs, feel free to message us and comment down below if you have mga questions and while we are having our house tour. Positive comment, please, and no to bashing.
Yes.
Diba, sir? So, positive vibes lang tayo. So, ayan. Ito yan. And then, this is an open layout wherein they could really modify kung saan nila ideal. Kung
saan nila ilalagay yung entertainment area.
Yep. But basically, ito, your kitchen. Tapos, of the moment, kasi this is the very, very first furniture natin siya. Later on, we will be showing you dressed up model unit natin so that they could have an idea. But in the meantime, shall we go upstairs? Tara?
Yes, tara.
So, sa pag-akyat natin, sir, hindi naman ganun ka-steep when it comes sa stairs natin, no, sir?
Yes. Madali lang siyang akyatan.
Yep. Since this is a corner unit, so on the upper floor, meron din siyang own toilet and bath dito. No? So,
yes.
Yep.
Meron na siyang sariling toilet and bath.
And then, dito, sir, actually, 2 bedrooms is the ideal one. Or yung iba, ginagawa nilang
pwedeng 3 bedroom.
3 bedroom. Pero, yun nga, ideally, para at least to have more space, 2 bedroom, pwede na din. And as in open layout siya. And, pinaka nagustuhan ko din, sir, eto. This one. The window niya. From ceiling to floor to ceiling height, no? Ang generous ng window natin, no? Ang laki ng window. So you could really see the view of the mountains. Kasi, sir, when we went there sa site, so we've seen mga mountain views, ganyan. So, ang ganda, sir. So, at least from your floor to ceiling height na window, sir?
Dito sa kabila, ito dahil full full glass. Napakaganda ng view.
Sir. Ayan. Diba? Ganda. So, yun. This is for the corner and silipin naman natin yung sa inner naman. What's their difference? So, tara. So, as we move forward sa actual deliverable unit naman ng inner unit, no, sir?
Yes.
So, the typical floor area is nasa 48 square meter, while the lot area is about more or less 54 square meter.
For the inner.
Yes. So, same thing with the corner. The thing here is, yung car park pa din niya is sa harap.
No? So, kung napansin nyo dun kanina, sa kabila, mahaba yun because that is the suggested expanded unit. Kaya ang haba niya. Kumbaga, pinakita sa atin doon paano yung gagawin mo kapag gagamitin mo yung space sa likod.
For expansion.
But here, dito sa ating unit na to, papakita natin yung actual turnover kung paano mo makukuha yung deliverable unit mo.
So tara, pasukin na natin, sir. So yan. So ganyan siya, no, sir, na ito-turn over sa client. Yeah. Yan, meron na din naman siyang kitchen here. And if they want to extend dun sa 3 meter setback pa outside, very open.
Ganito kahaba pa yung yung space to expand. So hanggang dito.
Oo nga.
Yan. So 3 meters yan.
3 meters. So this is the provision for expansion. But again, for the facade, we want to maintain the beauty of the Symphony Homes, diba? So para at least ma-maintain yung beauty ng facade natin. So let's go upstairs. So this is the inner naman, no, sir?
Second floor.
Second floor. As in, very open layout siya, wherein they could really modify their layout, no, sir? And then the inner natin, parang meron siyang floor-to-ceiling window. Ayan, sir. Ito, sir, ganda sa umaga. You have the natural lights, no, sir?
But if you want yung mahabang window na kagaya ng kanina, ang bibilhin nyo is the end unit or the corner unit.
That's right.
Kasi pag inner, ito yung magiging view mo pag nasa second floor.
Correct. Let's go and move forward sa end unit naman, sir. So as we move forward naman, again, as a recap, we have the corner, inner, and this is the end unit naman, diba, sir? So ito yung may for expansion pa din, no, sir? So this, parang siya din yung 2-car garage, no, sir? For the end.
Pwede kasi dito, tapos meron ka pa ditong space.
Correct. So, as of the moment, it's not yet available for viewing, but this is how it looked like sa facade niya. So, and one thing I love with Symphony, meron din naman silang single attach. So, let's go sa single attach. Sa facade muna tayo. So, this is the last, no, sir? The Aria model natin na single attach, no? So, and as of the moment, again, this is the very launching week ni Symphony. So, bear with us kasi hindi pa siya open sa loob, no? But, baka curious, sir, sila when it comes to the pricing. So, how much would it cost for the Symphony for every type of unit, sir?
Actually, yung ano natin, yung Sonata, yung inner is around 2.8 million. And then yung end naman natin is around 3.5.
So, that being said, sir, kapag ganon, it's not yet subjected to VAT, no, sir?
Yes, oo. Yung inner natin tsaka end, wala pa siyang VAT. So, napakaganda. And sinabi nga natin promo, yung 100,000 for the first 100 buyers. So, diba, saan ka pa kukuha ng discount na 100,000? Ang laki-laki niyan.
Oo nga, sir. So, again, this is the very premier vlog natin with Symphony. So, I hope makahabol sila with the first 100 home buyers dito sa SMDC para they could avail that huge discount na very generous naman si SMDC with that.
Yes.
And how about the payment terms, sir?
So, sa ngayon, we have a promo kasi kaka-launch lang. This is a special payment term. Kasi pagkatapos nito, magiging 15% na yung down payment mo. But for now, is 10% lang yung required natin from client and this is payable up to 36 months.
So, wow! That's a very ample time for them to, kumbaga, to pay for their down payment. Napaka-stretch niya, no? So, 36 months. Haba yun para mag-ipon. And for as low as, for the inner unit natin, upon checking our computation, nasa 7,000 lang monthly.
7,000 plus lang, di ba?
Diba? So you get to enjoy this beautiful home that could be form of your retirement, with your kids. Now, it's up to the client kung anong gawin, or for your rental, or just simply an investment. Diba, sir?
Yes.
Ayun.
We encourage our investors, our buyers to contact A. Marquez Realty.
Thank you, sir.
Para sa inyong mga kailangan. At maganda ngayon dahil bago tayo maubusan dun sa first 100 slots.
Ayun. Thank you, Sir Raul, for having us for today's vlog that we have featured the Symphony Homes by SMDC dito sa Mabalacat. So, for more information or comprehensive discussion about our project, feel free to message us with this number below and we're more than happy to guide you. So, see you soon on our next vlog. Bye for now!